Yun na, nami diri guys. Paway sa mi kay gipang kapoy. Og kay wala na storage ang computer. Storage na lang sa SD card. Okay. Sige, padayon ta. Drive na punta ani.
I want to drive to Las Vegas.
Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. O karon, it's time to vacation. We travel to going to Las Vegas. First night Las Vegas. And then we going to California in Laguna Beach because we miss now swimming in the beach. Then we're going to Universal Studio, and then after that we drive around sightseeing, and then we go home or whenever we stop. Whenever we sleep. Have no hotel reservation yet. Okay. There's RJ. Say hi, RJ. What you do? You playing?
Yeah,
What you play?
not telling
What?
not telling you.
Yeah, I can't say.
Why, RJ? Secret? No. I want to show you what is
What Utah looks like?
Utah looks like here in the mountain.
It's in the valley.
Yep. Okay.
Mountains all around us.
There is Utah in the mountain. See, desert. Have no big trees. Very small trees here and bushes. Weeds.
Say that Messiah. Speaking all English.
Okay. Mauni siya guys ang bukid diri sa Utah. Sa Utah, USA. I want to show you guys the scenery. Ipakita na ko ninyo guys kung unsa ang view diri sa Utah. Mauni siya. Desert mountain. Desert too.
They say
Yes.
mountain in Messiah.
Bukid. Ano siyang bukid?
Say.
Bukid nga desert to. Okay, I'll show you later guys. Mao ni siyang tinuod nga desert to sa Utah. Desert, look at that. It's far away. Anawa na guys. Puro smoke po ang sagbot. Okay. And here is the view. Ano siyang view sa Utah guys. Dili na kayo murag desert na ay mga tree. But there, see the desert. Look at that. All is bato. All is rock. Okay.
No, I'll sleep with you.
I need bed by myself.
Where is the small town
It's that big.
in
I need
Cedar?
the whole bed.
What happens if it's one day?
Ano siyang Cedar, Utah?
That'd be a problem.
We have to sleep in yeah.
You want to see RJ?
You're gonna sleep on a car. Boy,
What you do, RJ?
I'm gonna super. Yeah, my drinks some water.
You not tired, RJ?
I got a China.
You wake up early? Kay dugay pang drive kay layo pang biyahe. Eh,
Making it wider.
have a lake there. See?
Alligator?
We're gonna tear up.
A lake. See, have a small lake.
We're gonna tear up.
Alligator. There is a hapit na mi sa St. George, Utah. Tanawa na diya guys, look like chocolate hills. See? Pindot siya. Tanawa. Walay mga dagkong kahoy. Puros gagmay. Di katubo kay walay tubig. Okay guys. Karon na nami sa St. George. Tanawa na mga balay-balay diri. Ug mga office building or is that grocery or factory. Ang tanawang balay nasa babaw. Sa buntod.
George, next 5 exits. Look at those houses up there. Kinda
Yeah.
cool.
Nasa babaw sa buntod. Maybe have all the view here in the valley.
Yep. Expensive, I'm sure. $1 million.
Yeah, because of a good view of the center of St. George.
That's Main Boulevard.
St. George Boulevard, Mount Diri. Mount siyang hitsura sa St. George. Mostly, diri mga tao, Mormons.
Go downstairs and I'll look it up.
Yeah.
How do you get in there? That's all the way down there.
Yeah, right. Welcome to St. George. There's McDonald's. Welcome to McDonald's.
Got a coffee.
Yep.
Tired.
Yeah. Pauway usa kay kapoy na. Okay guys, naabot na yung tamig St. George. What you can see, RJ? Si Papa, don't do that.
They say bye. I'm just saying.
Bayada.
Just buy.
Yeah, that's it.
Bayada.
What, RJ?
Bayada.
What you can see, RJ? To the viewer.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Kuya ka, RJ, Daddy?
Bayada.
You go? You go, Daddy, RJ?
Bayada. Bayada.
Okay, good, Daddy, because Daddy is close now.
You going?
Yeah, Daddy, you want?
Legs or what?
I'm not going.
Oh,
Okay, then you go.
okay. What you can see, RJ?
Bayada.
You know how to speak Bisaya?
Bayada.
Yan na, nami diri guys. Haway sa mi kay gipang kapoy. Og drive. There is McDonald's. Yeah, so hot. Ah, init kay diri St. George, RJ. Okay, here's RJ. Wave, RJ.
Bayada.
Hi.
Bayada.
Okay, go inside. Karon na nami diri sa sulod sa playground sa McDonald's. Si RJ ganahan man mo dola. Pahuway sa mi diri kadiyot. You like it, the slide?
Hope it's like that up there. Hey, what's going on?
Now RJ, eat now RJ, come here. Okay, manaman mi kaon. Mangita na pod mi og Walmart. Where is now the Walmart, RJ? You see it, RJ?
It's exit 4.
Okay, or the Walmart?
We're at exit 8.
Pioneer.
Pioneer Road. Now what? I'm on Pioneer Road. What?
Use the middle lane to at the traffic circle. Take the first exit into Pioneer Road.
Did that? How about? There it is.
Turn left to 50 feet.
Spotted it. Turn
There's
here.
no Walmart. Oh, there is the Walmart. We found.
Yep.
We found Walmart. There is. In the middle of the desert.
Ta-da! But it's a big city.
Ta-da.
St. George. It's big.
Yeah. Walmart. Look at this. There is this big Walmart too.
Coming in.
Yep. Okay. So hot here. Hurting inita. Init kayong St. George ah. Look like 100 degrees. Okay, go inside. Ako ay lang Walmart dito guys. Awa na dako kayo. Anamig is the card. This laptop. There's RJ. Wave RJ, what you can see RJ? There is RJ. What's that? Camera? What's the camera RJ? Ah. What's that RJ? Your camera? There is the entertainment. TV. What's that? Let me see. Wow. Wow, what's that camera?
We have this.
What's that brand? Jay? Canon?
My dad see that.
Oh no! What's that? No, Jay. That is cute. It's small. What you like? That you like? Here's Sony RJ.
So you not beat me.
This
You
is
can't beat me.
what's so big your camera, huh? Look at that. Are you a vlogger?
Bingo. Bingo.
Bingo. Bingo. Okay, it's done
Now one
already.
more thing. It's so much dollars.
No, we not buy that. We just dock. $3.49.
Oh, here, guys.
What? Please. Hey, RJ. Enough na. Tanawa ng mga...
Phones, guys.
Yep.
Those mini phones.
What's that?
The what?
Look at this phone.
Because here, guys.
Oh, it's expensive.
Over
But
here.
RJ, iPhone that RJ. You like that? Small? Cute. So cute laptop RJ.
That's it.
What? Wow.
Huh?
At that. Nice.
I need to show you something, guys.
What? Look at this phone. Galaxy, RJ. Galaxy. A mini phone here too, RJ. Look. So, manami og shopping sa Walmart. Mauni ang amo ang napalit guys. My passport for double storage. 79. Og kaning
Open it up. See if you can open it.
kani siya extra
Okay.
Thank you.
Sundays.
Oh no, my seat is not big.
Baka buok among gipalit para na extra kay wala na storage ang computer. Storage na lang sa SD card. Okay. Sige, padayon ta. Drive na punta ani.
I was gonna ride the Las Vegas.
We
Yeah.
gotta get gas now.
Layo pa kayo, RJ. Pila pa ka oras, maybe 2 ka oras or 3.
All the waters are cold and there's water under.
Okay.
Mommy, the
Okay,
ice
So
is,
Bye-bye.
105 in St. George.
the ice is
Wow, the temperature here is 105. My goodness,
Las
that's
Vegas is an hour and a half down the road, and it's 107.
There's water in the cold here, you know,
so
Okay.
hot, ha?
because it's melting.
It's 4:54 p.m. Grabe ka init. Dulot sa panit. Okay, that's it for today guys, and see you in our next video. Bye bye. Part 2 travel. Bye-bye. See you,
Go
RJ.
now, bye. But first we need to get some gas.
Yeah, we need a gas first here.
Ow!